What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. This is the third drill out of 5. If you have not practiced the first and the second drill, make sure to go back to those. And if you have, let's go. For drill number 3, you will begin by striding forward. Then you will transition from front to back. Move into skating backwards. Then you will transition from back to front. You will skate into a plow stop and then finish it off with a burpee. Here is a slower version, all put together. Here is the whole drill at full speed. Drill 3! Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take these drills and practice them. They will help you get better. If you want to support me, I have some awesome new stickers in my Etsy shop. And most importantly, cheers to the queer!